Today I'm gonna teach you dry fruits name, or it can also called nuts. So let's begin to improve your vocabulary. Nuts. Listen and repeat.
What's this?
This is almond. Almond.
And where is this?
This is peanut. Peanut.
And where is this?
This is walnut. Walnut.
What is this?
This is pistachio. Pistachio.
And where is this?
This is hazelnut. Hazelnut.
And where is this?
This is peanut. Peanut.
And where is this?
This is cashew. Cashew.
And where is this?
This is pine nut. Pine nut.
Where is this?
This is betel nut. Betel nut.
And where is this?
This is acorns. Acorns.
And where is this?
This is chestnut. Chestnut.
And this? What is it?
This is macadamia. Macadamia.
And where is this?
This is nutmeg. Nutmeg.
And the last one? What is this?
This is Brazil nut. Brazil nut. Now your turn. What is this?